Good day, ma'am. Jimenix Balistican from from Bislicon, ma'am. Uh, I will share to you what I have learned from the model of communications. Uh, there are three types of model of communication. We will start with the linear, ma'am. What I learned. Linear model is a one-way communication, ma'am. It's like giving a speech. And the another type naman sa model of communication, ma'am, is interactive models, uh, which there's a receiver but the feedback uh, will not go back at the same time, such as through texting, ma'am. And the last model, ma'am, is the interaction model. Show us like communication happening at the same time. Well, ma'am, like face-to-face classes, ma'am, or face-to-face conversation nga na ikuan feedback. Ano to, ma'am, to you.